Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do geometry. Objective of learning are to understand the concept of point, line, line segment, ray, polygon and circle. Start with the warm up. A two-dimensional shape has only length and breadth but no thickness. Two dimension में केवल length और breadth होगी, thickness नहीं होगी. It can be also drawn on the sheet of paper. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, all these are example of two-dimensional shape. First हम लेते हैं point. A dot represent a point. It determine the exact location. Point हमें बताता है किसी चीज़ की exact location या position. It is so small that it has no size, it has no length, no breadth, no thickness. इसको हम capital letter से express करते हैं. Like यहाँ पे points है P, Q, U, T, R, S. All these are points. Next is line. A line क्या होगा? A line can be extended in any length in both the direction. आप line को दोनों direction में कितना भी extend कर सकते हैं. So a line has no end point. A line has no fixed length. Line का symbol जो होगा, that is the symbol. Both side arrow. That is the symbol of line. Here, this is line AB. Next is line segment. A part of a line that is called line segment. A line segment has two end point. Line segment की एक definite length होगी और two end point होगी. Symbol की हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Symbol में इस तरीके से. That will represent a line segment. AB a line segment. Next is ray. Starting from an end point, it is a line that extend only in one direction. It is called a ray. A ray of light is an example of ray. It is denoted by ray. Ray को हम one side extend कर सकते हैं endlessly and it has one end point जिसको हम starting point भी कहते हैं. Next, distinguish between a line, line segment and ray. So अगर हम difference देखें, line cannot be drawn on the paper but it can be represent it by the diagram. Line segment की बात करें, a line segment can be drawn on paper. Ray की बात कर रहे हैं तो ray cannot be drawn on the paper but we can represent it by a diagram. So AB अगर both side arrow है, that will represent a line. AB two end point के साथ, that is line segment, and one side arrow, that will represent a ray. A line has no end point, line segment has two end point, and ray has only one end point. Line has no definite length, line segment have definite length and ray has no definite length. So that is the difference between line segment and ray. Next is measuring a line segment. अब हम कैसे measure करेंगे line segment को? We use the scale to compare and find the length of line segment exactly. Observe it carefully. One edge is divided into 15 divisions and each division represents centimeter. The other edge is marked in inches. So this is a ruler or scale. You can see here this side 15 division है and that represent centimeter. And lower side में अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये inches को बता रही है. Clear? Each centimeter is further divided into 10 smaller division. हर एक सेंटीमीटर के बीच में 10 small division है. That will represent जो smaller division है. Each smaller division represent 1/10 of the centimeter. It is known as millimeter. वो किसको represent करेगा? Millimeter को. 10 millimeter that is equals to 1 centimeter and 1 millimeter equals to 1/10 centimeter. Let us measure the length of the line segment, say RS. Suppose एक line segment है RS, हमें उसे measure करना है. So how will we measure? We'll place the scale. इस तरीके से लेंगे along the line segment जिससे कि जो R है वो हमारा 0 पे रहे. Now हम देखेंगे कि जो अनदर पॉइंट है S वो कहाँ पे, उसको हम रीडिंग जो है रीड करेंगे स्केल पे. दैट इज ऑन 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो जो लाइन सेगमेंट की लेंथ हो जाएगी दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. नोट डाउन द मार्किंग ऑन द स्केल वेयर द अदर पॉइंट एस कोइंसाइड. सो इट इज ऑन 5. सो टोटल लेंथ हो जाएगी 5 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? सो इस तरीके से हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. द रीडिंग गिव्स अस द लेंथ ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट RS. ऑब्जर्व द पॉइंट S coinciding with 5. Hence the length of line segment is 5 centimeter. Be smart. Suppose हमें यहाँ पे measure करना है. So अब देखिए जो line segment का 1 point है that should be on 0. So यहाँ से हम रीड करना शुरू करेंगे. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज द राइट वे. नेक्स्ट, ड्रॉइंग द लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ गिवन लेंथ. Suppose we have to draw a line segment of 5.6 centimeters. So what we'll do? We'll place the scale on sheet of paper and mark the point A. जहाँ पे 0 है वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट मार्क कर देंगे A. Now हमें लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है 5.6 सेंटीमीटर का. तो स्केल पे हम मेजर करेंगे. दिस इज 5.5 एंड दिस इज 5.6. वहाँ पे हम एक पॉइंट मार्क कर देंगे, दैट इज पॉइंट B. Now we'll join point A and B. That is our desired line segment 5.6 centimeter. Next is exercise 13A. Which of following a line segment ray and name them. So one side arrow hai, that means PQ is a ray. Clear? Next is simple closed figure. A closed figure which does not intersect itself, that is called simple closed figure, जो कहीं भी एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं करता. First we'll take polygons. A simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segment is called polygon. Simple closed figure जो कि 3 या उससे ज़्यादा line segment से बना हो polygon कहलाता है. The line segment which form the polygon they are called side. जिन line segment से polygon बनता है उनको क्या कहते हैं? Sides. The point at which the two adjacent side of the polygon meet, that is called vertex. जहाँ पे भी meet करती है, like ये इसका vertex हो जाएगा, ये इसकी sides हो जाएगी. Plural अगर vertex की बात करें तो वो हो जाएगा vertices. Next, types of polygon. The name of the polygon depend on the number of sides. कितनी sides है उस पर depend करता है. First है triangle. So tri means 3. A simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments, that is called triangle. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle. It has 3 sides, namely AB, BC and AC on 3 vertices A, B and C. So, ये एक triangle हो जाएगा. इसमें 3 sides हो जाएंगी AB, AC and BC and 3 vertices A, B and C. Next is quadrilateral. Quad means 4. A simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segments, that is known as quadrilateral. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. 4 vertices हो जाएंगे A, B, C and D and 4 side हो जाएंगे AB, BC, CD and DA. So 4 sides हो जाएंगी 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Next is adjacent sides. The side of the quadrilateral having the common vertex. जिनका common vertex होगा वो adjacent side हो जाएंगी. Like अगर यहाँ पे देखें तो AB and BC are adjacent, AB and AD are adjacent. Clear? Same way, AD and DC are adjacent and AD and AB are adjacent. So जिनका भी common vertex होगा वो क्या होंगी? Adjacent sides. Next is opposite sides. In a quadrilateral PQRS, RS and QP make one pair of opposite side and QR and PS make another pair of opposite side. So अगर ये PQRS है तो PQ की opposite हो जाएगी SR and PS की हो जाएगी QR. Next is diagonals. The line segment which join the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral, that is known as diagonal. So इस quadrilateral PQRS में diagonals जो हो जाएंगे that is PR and SQ, opposite vertices को जो join करता है. Next is rectangle. A rectangle is a special type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Rectangle 4 sides होंगी, 4 vertices, opposite sides means ये और ये side equal होगी and this side will be equal and जो diagonal होंगे वो equal होंगे. So in the above figure the quadrilateral ABC, the rectangle AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC and AC equals to BD means diagonal equal होंगे. Next is square. A square is a special type of rectangle in which all 4 sides are equal. चारों sides equal होंगी, thus the diagonal of the square are also equal. The adjoining figure की बात करें तो EF FG equals to GH equals to HG, मतलब all 4 sides are equal and EFGH is square. So जो diagonal है EG and HF वो भी equal होंगे. More examples of polygon. A polygon with the 5 side, that is known as pentagon, 6 side hexagon, 7 heptagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon and 10 side decagon. Next is circle. A circle is perfectly round in shape. A circle has no sides, no corner. First हम बात करेंगे center की. The point through which we can draw a circle, that is called the center of circle. जिस point से हम draw करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं center. In the figure shown, O is the center of circle. A, B and C are any 3 points on the circle. All the 3 points are at the same distance from O. So O इसका center है, A, B and C 3 points है circle पे and they are equal distance from the center. So OA, OB and OC equal होंगे because equal distance पे है. Next is radius. Radius the distance between the center of circle and to any point on the circle, that is called the radius. Thus each of the line segment OA, OB and OC represent the radius of the circle. The plural of radius is radii. All the radii of a circle are equal in length. So center से किसी point तक की length जो होगी that is known as radius. Next is chord. Chord, a line segment that join 2 points on the circle, that is called the chord of the circle. In the adjoining figure, AB and CD are 2 chords of the circle. So ऐसा line segment जो 2 point पर join करता है, तो AB and CD क्या हो जाएगी? Chords हो जाएगी. Next is diameter. The chord which passes through the center of the circle, that is known as diameter. Thus the given figure AB is a diameter of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. और डायमीटर क्या होती है? 2 टाइम्स रेडियस के. सो ऐसी कॉर्ड जो सेंटर के थ्रू पास होती हो उसको बोलते हैं डायमीटर. सो डायमीटर इज अ कॉर्ड बट ऑल कॉर्ड्स आर नॉट डायमीटर. कॉर्ड जो होगी वो डायमीटर हो ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट जो कॉर्ड सेंटर से पास होगी वो डायमीटर होगी. क्लियर? सो डायमीटर होती है 2 टाइम रेडियस के. नेक्स्ट इज सर्कमफेरेंस. The length of the boundary of the circle, that is called the circumference of the circle. Next is exercise 13b. Which of the following are the simple closed curve? First figure की बात करें तो ये कहीं भी intersect नहीं कर रहा. That means it is a simple closed curve. Practice all the questions. Facts. A closed figure which does not intersect itself, that is called simple closed figure. A simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segment, that is known as polygon. A rectangle is a special type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. Rectangle opposite sides equal होंगी and diagonals equal होंगे. Square is a special type of rectangle in which all sides are equal. The circle is a closed figure each of whose point is at equidistance from the fixed point inside it. That is called the center of the circle. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.